Okay, so it's Leonard and Harry back here again. We're doing the puncture on the Trek. So we have a replacement 24-inch tube, which is great. It's a good idea to make sure that you have the right size tube and also the right type of valve. In this case it is a 24-inch and we have a shredder valve as opposed to a presser. I'm also going to put a little bit of air in this one just to make sure that it's okay. It is brand new out of the box, so you'd hope it would be okay, but it's better to not assume things. Okay, so that tube seems fine, which is nice. So now we're going to take the tyre off the rim. So for that we need some tyre levers, which we've got. The air is already out of the tube because the tube is burst. But if we needed to, we could deflate it further by taking the valve cap off and removing the valve core. So we have 3 tyre levers here. So I'm going to start opposite the valve and put in a couple of tyre levers. So in this case the tyre's not too tight, it's quite easy to come off, it's fine. So that's the first half of the tyre off. We can then take the tube out and it's fine. It's quite important to make sure that you find the puncture. We did in this case find this screw, so the screw's out, but it's also really important to check the rest of the tyre for damage. So you can either take the tyre off completely, or at this stage just make sure you feel and look all the way around to make sure that there's nothing else in there that's going to puncture your new tube. There's nothing worse than putting a new tube in and then damaging it again. Okay, so that is the old tube out, the tyre's halfway off, and the next thing we'll do is get the new one in.